Tata, there is this challenge. So when I say, Mama once said, you tell us what I normally say, like something I use a lot, words I use a lot, statements I use often. So, Mama once said,
Botamalawo mmere eno tojja kufuluma mu nnyumba. Okay. Tata once said.
Abana bawano. Mama once said.
Negwe atawummulako. Oyagala kubeera otya.
Tata once said, mujja kiwulira. Mama once said.
Baana mu obudde buzibye mwebaka enkya mukera ku church.
Tata once said, busy.
Did I really say that?
When someone does something, when the kids do something, you sometimes use that statement. But it is a statement your father used to use.
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
Yeah.
My father, not me.
Okay, the other Tata once said.
Okay. Tata once said, my father.
No.
My father. My father once said, the senta musiri wako, ate sinywe wako.
Mama once said, my mom. Mama once said, gwenna webake obolooza nja kujja nkufumbireko ewo.
My father once said, Mustowa ya mukama temugwa birungi.
True.
Yeah.
True. My mother once said, you have to be an independent woman. Olisaba akalega ne panty, ne underwear, ne afupeti, olina okubaako n'akasente akakongo omukyala.
Akasente k'ekikazi. So your mother is the inventor of Kameza savings.
Her and women like her.
Yeah. My mother. My mother once said, naye mwana gwo emputwe kuli mu mutogo. Kona kazunga kalinga kanauno.
Naono now.
I'm here to discover.
Oh. Okay. My mother once said, tambula ngai namwe amaanyi mwago amagulu bakalabi.
My father once said to any of his children that would misbehave or would be reported in Gakozo Musange, he would say, mwana gwe nakulabira wagwo mutogo. Nakulabanga gojja okuvaako olumbo olujja okunzita.